What is up, guys? Welcome back to the channel and to another Evo 10 video. We do have quite a few things left to do on this car before we call it a day and move on to the next build. Here's how she is currently sitting. We are missing quite a few body panels: hood, front bumper, rear bumper, mirrors, fender vents, and I think that's about it. We can't do anything else like engine wise, power wise, until we start tuning. I don't know when that's gonna happen. I'm hoping pretty soon. So we're gonna kind of hold off on anything go fast related. Today what I want to do is throw on some body panels. So I'm gonna pull the car in the shop. We have an FQ400 hood for it. We have an FQ400 rear bumper. We have a Varus front bumper. We have the Varus diffuser. There's the hood. I don't know what all we're gonna get on today. And there's a few panels I probably won't put on. I don't think I'm gonna put on the front bumper yet because it's gonna take some like fab work and bracket adjustments and stuff. And vinyl wrap too. We gotta keep in mind we are still gonna vinyl wrap some stuff on the car. So I'll probably leave, I don't know. Let's just pull the car in the shop, and I for sure wanna get the hood on the car just so the engine bay isn't exposed. If it starts snowing or raining soon, I don't want it filling up with crap. I do really need to get this yellow top battery charged. Charger here doesn't work. I need to buy a new one. So this is what I've been using to get that car started. I know it's probably not the best thing in the world for a battery to be constantly jumping it. Took a second, but she's up and running. That's the first time it started ever with the whole new motor build without giving it a bunch of gas when I'm starting it. It's starting it just like how I would normally start a car. Damn, she sounds good. This is the best this car's ever sounded in its entire life. 100%. So as of right now, we don't have any of the hinges on here. We are gonna also be running these TN hood dampeners. I wish they were a different color. I might vinyl wrap those later on just so, because the green's not really gonna match anything else we got going on this car. So let's get the hinges on, probably throw the hood on, and then get the dampeners on. All right, we should be ready for the hood now. I'm gonna throw down some towels on each corner just to make sure that we're not bashing the hood against the fenders. You don't wanna chip up any new paint. Real quick, guys, I know this is extremely random, but a few people on Instagram and here on YouTube have been wondering about the shop lights that we threw up. So these are full LED, and I got them off Amazon. I'll have a link down in the description box below. It was like $400. There's 20 lights total. So 2 there, 4, 2, 4, 2, 4, 2. So 20 total lights, and it's about $400. If you guys want to pick up a set for your shop, I'll link them down below. No, this isn't sponsored. I paid full price. They're just really nice. Let's run outside, grab the hood, and slap it on. It may take a bit to get adjusted properly, but we got all the time in the world. This hood is so freaking beefy looking. Don't mind the gaps, guys. I only have like 2 bolts in there and they're both loose, but check it out. We don't have the vents in either because when we vinyl wrap it, we are gonna have to pull the vents out anyway, or like the mesh on underneath. But that is one thing I'm kind of worried about, is like my air filter is right there. Can you see that? Yeah, air filter's right there, engine bay. Hopefully it doesn't get too wet. I don't know if I'm gonna be driving this car this winter anyway, but I'm kind of worried about it. Let's throw on the hood dampeners and then get everything adjusted properly. All right, so we need to throw on these little guys right here. What these do is clip onto the end, and we're gonna thread it through probably that little hole right there. It's gonna be hard to get to the backside, but I think we can figure it out. Got the one side finished up. Just that one dampener is holding the hood up just fine. Let's bang at the other side and then we can get the hood fully aligned. All right, the hood is on. Everything is aligned. It looks really, really nice. It's not 100% perfect. It could be better. I honestly don't know what brand of hood this is. I know it's like an FQ400. I don't know if it's a replica. I'm guessing it is because I think stock would be aluminum, or like an OEM Mitsubishi would be aluminum. But now we have a problem, guys. I got the hood all done, ready to go adjust for the latch, and there's no latch on the hood part. I'm pretty sure it's on there when I dropped it off at paint, and I was gonna go pull the one off of that Evo, but the one for the stock hood is riveted on and it's completely different. This one bolts on right there with 4 bolts and I have no clue where it is. So it's specific to this hood. If I can't find it, I'll have to like make my own hook somehow, but I'm gonna go look around some more and see if I can't find it. All right, guys, we're all done with the hood for the day. I can't find that latch, but this came over and she wants, what do you tell them what you want to do?
I really want to wrap my roof black.
Where'd you get that idea from?
I'm the one who gave you the idea to wrap your roof black, so don't steal it from me.
Oh, you want to back it out?
I haven't done this for a long time.
Let me hook up my battery. Let me check my jumper.
I think I just got a little teary-eyed. That sounds so good. Can I have that one?
You want everything.
I know. Holy mackerel.
She beefy?
Very.
All right, we're gonna pull Bobby's car in, and she's gonna wrap it by herself.
Technically no.
Okay, we'll do it together.
Okay.
But it's not gonna look that cool until we get wheels on it, and slam it, and do a front lip.
I know.
And skirts, and canards, and big wing.
Can we do something else to it tonight too?
Like what?
It's probably a no, but I'm gonna ask anyways. Can we take the short shifter out of that car and put it in my car? Or is that like a long process?
Why do you look so concerned?
I don't like being told no.
No.
What?
Maybe, if we have time. We have a concert to go to.
I understand.
Wow, this thing's built. What kind of cams you running? Alright, pull it in.
Then let's not be imbeciles.
All right, so far we have got the roof rails off, we pulled the antenna off, I clay barred the roof, and now we're just going through cleaning up all the jams. From here, we're gonna clean up the roof and then hit it with isopropyl alcohol and get to wrapping. Here it is, guys. You like?
Love.
Now it just needs some more black stuff, like the wheels. Hood scoop is gonna be black. She has carbon underboard for the skirts. Is that a wrap?
That's a wrap if we can't put the short shifter in.
It's way too late. We have to go to a concert.
Oh yeah. Good work, Haas.